Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can dress like a K-pop queen by recreating Jennie's shutdown fit in DTI. If you're ready to channel your inner Jennie from Blackpink, this DTI tutorial show you exactly how you can recreate her iconic shutdown look from the hair to the fierce details. So first, let's just do the hair. So for the hair, I'm going to use two hairstyle. First one is the main hairstyle. I'm going to use this long hair and make it all black. And then I'm going to use bangs here. I'm going to use this bangs in here and change the color into black. And after that, I'm going to add some accessory first. So let's put the head first. You'll know the iconic red hat in here. So I'm going to put on this fur hat and change it into red. This red color in here. And then I'm going to put on this ear muff and again change it into red. Okay, let's put on the top first. I'm going to use a top from the coded item. Here, this is the top that I'm going to use. And I'm going to make it red like the hat. This one. And let's go here. I'm going to put on this top and make it white like this. And I'm going to put on the skirt. I think I'm going to use a jean skirt, but let's put on the shoe first. I'm going to use this shoe and I'm going to put a leg warmer here. This one. And let's put on the skirt and add some accessory again. So this is the skirt that I'm going to use. And let's put on this belt in here. And you can put on some accessory if you want, like bracelet or maybe a necklace. I'm going to put on this necklace here, change it into silver. So now it's done. So this is the Jennie look from the Shutdown MV. So slay the runway and steal the spotlight, just a true K-pop idol in Roblox DTI. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on the thanks. Bye!